Hello everyone, I am Pertti Arvonen from UWIS company, and this is probably one of the first ones how to do video. I know this will be difficult to explain in some kind of presentation, so let's try this method. There has been a demand that there should be some own maps available in UWIS Tracker software or some other overlays, and this is not finalized into the product yet, but we found the method how to do it, and I try to explain that and properly teach you how to do it in this video. Like you know, in UWIS Tracker there is 3 online options available. There is a street view, light view and satellite view, and then you can load offline maps, and that's what we do now also. We load first the offline map, and it happens from here. You go to the app settings, map, and then you find the place where you like to dive and where you like to make your own tailor-made offline map. We had a dive here in between Sweden and Finland in the bay of Sinisar Island. It was here. You can choose satellite view if you like. It's not necessary because we are going to override these tiles anyway. I recommend to select quite small area, so this loading goes fast and there is no delays. So this is the area, and then we say download current map area. I give the name, say OK. Then I follow that this goes to the end. If the yellow part doesn't go to the right, you have to properly delete and try again. But I can test it right here and it works. Great, then I can go back to the dive tracking. So we did offline map, which was this demo, and it looks like this. But this is only the map box satellite view, and this is something what we like to make better. I have used that modifications, and those modifications, this kind of software which name is cookies, and this software is very useful for modification for different kind of maps, routes, whatever. And what we do here, we say new project. Sorry, I have Finnish language version. And like you see, the coordinate system datum is standard VGS 84. And I recommend to load one additional part to this software. The software is actually, you can find it from here. So this is the address. And I have used this one, which is the latest long-term release. Probably this works as well, very well. It's a freeware and possible to download easily. Okay, and then I add one additional part from here. There is this kind of, if you find it from map word, this map library. There is some maps already available, and there is, for example, a Google satellite map. So this is what we are going to use now. So let's go there. And then I go to the network map library, and I find the Google here. Google, add, close. And now you see it automatically changed the datum also to Mercator projection. And this is important because this is the datum what we are going need to use and when we make the tiles. So this was, besides now better where you are operating with this Google map, but also it fixed the datum to the correct one. That was very important for us. So I go back again to the same place between Sweden and Åland. It was here. Now I can take the bigger area if I like, because by doing this helps also to load big area to the UWIS Tracker software than the tracker software itself. I can load with this cookies tool. I can load UWIS tracks to here. I can load whatever images are georeferenced. GeoTIFF is not very easy to add here. So let's do that way. I say here layers, add layer, add raster layer. Then I have my friends have done very nice orthomosaic layers from 3D model. It's a TIFF file already. GeoTIFF. I open. I add and close. So now the orthomosaic is here in the map. So what to do next? I like to have this view behind the UWIS Tracker tracking process. So the next task is to open this. There's a processing tool, and there's a tools, then there's a raster tools, and then there's a generate XYZ tiles to directory. That's our choice. And then I choose the area what I like to add there. I choose quite small area because then it's quite fast to load. This is a minimum zoom level and maximum zoom level. 12 is okay to us, I think. I can a little bit download it so it finds it's from the bigger view, and then I go a little bit deeper. So I like to maximum what UWIS Tracker can accept is level 19. Then I like to add also the sharpness of the image a little bit. This is not necessary, but I like to do that. I keep all these the same, PNG, and tile size is what it is. And then I only choose the folder where these tiles goes when I load it. And this is important. Follow me carefully now. So I say that I save to the folder, and then I go to the folder which UWIS Tracker made for the offline map, what we did a couple of minutes ago. And you can find it from here. You go to this PC, then you go to the root C, then you find users, you find yourself, and then there's app data. If you don't see this folder, it means that it's hidden, so you have to go to the resource handling and change settings of this folder so that the hidden folders are available. And then roaming, and then there's maps, and as you see there is very cryptic names of the folders, but actually these include the tiles what is recorded in UWIS Tracker. If you find those latest one to the app, this was what we did a couple of minutes ago. So this is the one. So I choose this one. If we check out inside, there is a lot of images already. Those are, this was empty. There was not that layer available. But anyway, this already includes the tiles which was loaded in from UWIS Tracker, but those are the ones we like to override now. So we choose this folder and say select folder, and then we say run. Okay, all layers are done. Then I say close. And then I can go, you can save this project or just forget it. It's up to you. But when you go now back to the tracker and you choose this layer and zoom out a little bit and out, you see that this overlay or this has added here. So next time when you go to the dive, you can dive and follow the dive above this layer. There was not all layers included, as you see it disappear for a while and then comes back, but quite often these are totally fully covered, and the minimum is that 5 meters zooming. If you go deeper you lose every, but it's a final step only. So I think this is a big improvement because you lose the satellite view also. So I hope you got the idea, and please don't hesitate to contact me personally when and if you have any difficulties. Thank you.